What's up, guys? Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, and leave me a comment below. So that, you didn't see the whole workout, and I should have taken a picture of what was listed, but it's a lot. And half the time, like, we got 4 exercises. You know, a lot of times the workouts are structured this way, where we do 4 exercises for 4 rounds and then another 4 exercises for 4 rounds. Oftentimes I'll run out of time before I get the second 4 rounds finished. But that's not even the point. The point that I wanted to talk about is, like, I'm not even close to being in shape yet. It is a process, and it's often a process that we think that we underestimate. Like, we underestimate just how much work it's going to be to get our butts back in shape. And I think this is what happens in business a lot of time, is people underestimate just how hard it can be to get the business structured properly, to get the right processes in place that make money, because no money, no business. That's why my mantra is go make money, because if you don't make money, you have no business. And if you have no business and you have no, then you can't make as much money as you could if you had one. So yeah, it's an important thing. Years ago, I don't know who said this originally, but I know I heard Tony Robbins say that we often overestimate what we can do in a year, but we underestimate what we can do in 10. So think about that. Same with getting in shape. Same with our financial situation. Like, we might overestimate what's possible in a year to fix our credit, to get some money saved in the bank and start investing and all that stuff if we're not in a good financial situation. But don't underestimate what's possible in 5 years, because your entire life can change in 5 years. It can change actually a lot faster than that. But it's the same with your business. It can change, and it can dramatically take a 180. Like, if you're going like this, it can take a 180 and go like this and go right back up. So, and surpass what you ever thought was possible. So if you're interested, I do have some free training. There's a link in the description below. Please click on that and book a call with me. Like, I already know. I've already been there and done that. And that's the advantage of, getting a mentor, a coach to help you, to be by your side, to help you make some of the decisions that you need to make, and to support you and guide you along the way, so we don't make so many mistakes. And the course that I created for the HVAC Millionaire coaching, called 7 Figures in 7 Weeks in Any Market, is fire. That course is fire. It's going to teach you all the mistakes that I made so you can avoid them. And all it does is it collapses time. Because everybody could eventually get there if they don't get beat, if they don't quit. But it could take you 10 years, or it could take you 5. The choice is yours. And it's always faster when you know what to do, what not to do, or have the right information before you make some of your decisions. So that's what I got for you this week. We've been working out, my wife and I, for 6 months, 3 times a week. Brutal workout some days. It takes me an hour and a half to recover. I just feel like she can always tell, because on the ride home from the workout place, I'll be really quiet. I won't talk. And she's like, "You're recovering, aren't you?" And I'm like, "Yeah." Because I just got my teeth kicked in, right? And it's that way in business, right? If you want to prevent getting your teeth kicked in quite as often, then find somebody who's done it before and can share their information with you and help you get there a lot faster. So that's all I got for you guys. Go make money. Boom.